G'day guys, it's Mark and Andy here from More Than a House.
On this episode, we check out the aftermath of the 2022 flood. The roads all smashed up. We've got, half an inch of mud on the floor probably?
Slow, otherwise it'll give you a big wash. It's fine. We're in an AU Falcon, these things will go anywhere.
Well, I drowned AU
I'm not
Falcon.
out-driven by a Volkswagen, right? Old fella told us not to drive through. He
Since
underestimated the AU Falcon, obviously.
We are going to check out the shack. It's dropped probably another metre. Not quite another metre. Yeah. Alright, it's dropped a metre from the highest point it made, apparently.
Yeah,
so we're going to go check it out and see the damage and show you guys what's going on.
There's going to be stuff everywhere. I mean, we're already looking, every fence we can see is just loaded up with debris and all sorts, so we're already not sure what to expect. It's going to be a bit daunting. Probably more daunting to see the aftermath than the actual
flood.
Water.
Yeah.
That's so much timber.
Be able to rebuild the shack with the floaties.
Yeah.
The road's all smashed up.
It's like a wasteland. And the roads are still better than Victorian roads. This was very much underwater.
Looks a bit muddy. Oh wow. Okay.
The deck's not looking very nice.
Let's go check it out.
Wow, there's so much stuff that we've actually... There's a lot of stuff that we actually put in the cupboard and stuff, which I can see in the driveway. So I think the cupboards may have failed. We put some expensive stuff up as well, and I've got a feeling that might have failed as well.
Our fence failed.
No, our fence is stood up. It's the dodgiest thing of everything.
So I gravelled this whole driveway by hand, wheelbarrow, and now it's slush. All my plants.
The doors all open to that shit out.
Oh, it hasn't warped, but it's mouldy.
Oh, the deck's alright. Don't know about the rest of the place. The deck's good. Like that's incredible. That thing was over against the shed and it's ended up over here. This is crazy stuff. Yeah, the shed's the shed's fully now. The shed is very gone. So the shed didn't last. There was a lot of white ant damage in that shed. So very fortunate that the house is standing because there was white ant damage in the house, but obviously what we'd fixed helped. So the fact that we done the stud work probably saved this house. Wowza. It doesn't look as bad as I was expecting it to be honest with you. Yeah. Doesn't look as bad. I mean, it's pretty bad. See what ended up in here?
We've got what, half an inch of mud on the floor probably?
No,
Not too bad. Yeah, you can see where the water come up to. We got a line inside, outside, all around.
And you're going to have to bear with us. Judge is not going to leave our side, and he's going to be panting this entire clip, and it's going to be super annoying. But that's what big dogs do. They make all the noise. But yeah, I'm actually feeling a little bit better now that we've looked at it. I'm really grateful that we left all the windows open, because as you can see up top, it almost doesn't look like anything's happened. Like,
it's not moldy.
It's not moldy. It's not sweaty. It's not wet. The fact that we left all the windows open and let the air in and out the whole time. What are you drinking, Judge? Judge. You found some water inside the toilet brush. Gross. Obviously the walls down below are rooted.
Yeah.
But we shouldn't have used it. But the tops are good. So this is a big win as far as I'm concerned. The damage below the water level is always going to be there regardless. Judge, enough. Get out of it.
These walls must be cement.
Some of them are.
Yeah, these walls are fine. The gyp rock, no good. These walls. Chipboardies, probably ruined.
No, that was cement sheeting down there.
Oh, it is? So that will probably clean up alright. Maybe.
The brick will obviously be right. The
Bricks will be
kitchen
fine.
obviously got wet.
Yeah, this is the
Brand new
kitchen
dishwasher. Yeah, dishwashers.
Just enough.
Just enough to ruin it. Unfortunately.
Hopefully our cement comes up. We don't know how it's going to be once the mud goes, if it's going to chip or peel our paint, but it's okay, something we'll deal with. Lucky all our electrical is up high above the flood line, so we're pretty safe there.
Which is no coincidence.
Which is no good. This place was designed to flood to a degree.
Yeah, a lot of these shacks in the Riverland have got all of their wiring is like 1200 high, even power points and stuff. There's nothing low. So that's for that reason. Everything we done in the first room, which is our sort of our little favourite room, a lot of the walls were already like fibre, like MDF sort of stuff. And the skirtings are all ruined as well. We sort of got the composite skirtings, which we shouldn't have.
But wood wouldn't have been much better.
Judge, no. You nearly laid down. No, you got to get in the car yet. We brought the work hack because we were... No, get up.
Something's gone on in.
Yeah, that's probably sweated a little bit. There's also so many spider eggs. There's so many spiders in here. These long skinny things, they almost look like shrimp. There's so many of those. So I'll have to spray to get them out of here. But yeah, look, obviously a massive mess in the way of mud and
hours of work.
Redoing a whole heap of stuff. But this is where it gets tricky, because we would love to get in here and just start going ape shit and clean this up. We're so eager to get this thing cleaned up, but for the good of the process, we have to get it assessed, and I think it's better that we just leave it and let them assess it for what it is, exactly as it is, because we're going to come out better. Because if we start fixing things, we're only shooting ourselves in the foot. We need to get it assessed from the insurance company and let them work out what needs to be done, and then go through the process. So, but I think we've got access, so we'll be assessed pretty quick. I don't think we'll be waiting too long. For those who were telling us last time we were walking around in sewage water, no, we're not. We blocked up the toilet, so the septic, as it flooded, it couldn't escape. No solids could get through. So yeah, that's all good. I'm super pumped that the deck is still flat. I don't know how that didn't warp. so that's a bonus. But yeah, the shed copped it the most. Hopefully not too much of our stuff floated away. Another bonus. This is handy. Found some fly spray out here. So we're gonna spray the house before we leave. Let's spray all these spideys out. Sorry guys.
Oh.
I'm playing a free for all.
No.
I'm playing a free for all.
Spider house. Yeah, look at this. Oh, jeez. You can see our little boat in the distance. We tied to the fence, but looks pretty knackered. And the water's actually pretty clear, which is good to see. Just a big mess.
All right, guys. So, what?
Did you not have that recording?
No, I'm doing a second. This is the end video. She hates this. She gets so angry at me when we're doing this. So that's it for this episode, guys. As you can see, the damage. I actually feel better now that I've seen it, but it still sucks.
Yeah.
The wind's picking up now, so we'll keep this quick.
Thanks for all the support, all the lovely messages. It's been overwhelming, and we hope you're all on the journey of the rebuild.
Yes, there's plenty to come. Don't forget to check out our Instagram as well. We keep a few little updates happening there. Once again, as Andy said, we have had so much support along the way with people sending their best regards. So thank you to anyone who has, and we're very lucky that this is not the worst. A lot of people have had a hell of a lot worse than us, and a lot of people have.
It's their only house.
Yeah, they live there, so we're lucky that we can get away from it. But yeah, stick around because there'll be plenty to come, as you guys will see, and we'll see you all in an upcoming episode.